Hey guys, it's Raimi and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to get perfect, flawless, dewy and glowy skin. Right now it's like winter time in Florida, but I have oily skin, so when it's cold outside I take advantage of it and I can finally do the cool like glowy, dewy skin look because all year round I have oily skin, and when it's hot my natural oils are already coming out, so usually I go for like the all matte look because my natural oils give me that dewiness all on its own. If you guys want to learn how to get this full coverage, dewy, like perfect skin look, because my skin is not perfect but I do know how to cover it up. So if you guys want to hear some of my tips and tricks, then just keep watching. So today for primer, since we're going for a more dewy look, I'm going to be using the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, and this is such a beautiful primer. It keeps your makeup on all day while giving you a beautiful, healthy glow. But I do have oily skin, and I can say that this primer does not make me any more oily, so it's really, really good for all skin types, I would say. So if you watch any of my videos, you're probably not surprised that I'm using the Bahi Sunflower Sweet Serum. This serum is amazing for not only skincare, but also makeup. This keeps me from getting oily throughout the day, but it also gives me a glow and it keeps my acne away. It's amazing. And it's also an amazing makeup primer that I use on the daily. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 260, and I'm using a matte foundation today even though this is a dewy look because I know this foundation is one full coverage and it will keep any of my natural oils at bay, but also keep any luminosity that I put under it, as in the primer, and we're going to be layering some dewy products and glowy products on after this, so I just want to make sure that my base is going to stay intact all day. Today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in medium just to conceal my under eyes, and I'm also going to highlight my chin, my cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. And honestly, I'm doing my cupid's bow just because sometimes I feel like I look like I have a mustache, so I'm just trying to brighten up that area if I'm being honest. So now I'm just going to blend my concealer out with a Real Techniques little mini makeup sponge, and I like the mini ones especially for under my eyes because lately my eyes have been starting to water, so I can put less pressure when I'm using a smaller beauty blender under my eye, because when I use a big one it just like irritates my eye and makes my eyes water and ruins my makeup. So yeah, if you have that problem then I definitely recommend these little mini ones. Now on this little diamond Real Techniques beauty blender, I'm just going to take the Rcma no color powder and set directly under my eyes. I'm not going to go any farther than under my eyes because we're going to be using some cream contour products in just a second. So now I'm cleaning up under my eyebrows with some concealer just to make sure like all the little hairs under my eyebrow are concealed, so people don't know that I haven't got my eyebrows done in like 2 months. I'm just going to take the rest of that concealer and blend it down my eye just so everything looks one color and really pretty. And then I'm just going to use the Rcma no color powder on a little brush just to get all the creases out and set it so it looks really nice and smooth. So I'm like filming in front of my window because natural light is everything, but it is so hot right now in this long sleeve turtleneck, but outside, guess how many degrees it is? Guess how many? Oh wait. It's 27 degrees. 27 degrees outside. Do you guys remember that meme from Twitter? Do you guys remember? Oh my god. But yeah, I'm sweating. So now I'm going to take some of the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick on my brush, and I'm just going to contour my face a little bit. Just going to chisel out my cheeks and make my 6 head into a 5 head, or maybe even a 4 head if I'm lucky. And I'm using the cream instead of the powder because the cream just makes it look like it's an actual shadow that belongs to your face instead of like a powdery like contour. I don't know how to explain that, but it just looks better and more natural and goes with the dewy look more. I am going to go in and set the contour, but this just helps make it look more natural. Next, I'm going to quickly contour my nose with the stick just to make it look skinnier and more defined, and then I'm just going to blend out those harsh edges that I just made with a BH Cosmetics brush. BH Cosmetics brushes are amazing and they have the best discounts, and they're already cheap brushes but high quality, and they're just my favorite. So if you're looking to buy some brushes, I definitely recommend BH Cosmetics. Now I'm going in and setting everywhere that I contoured with the powder version of the Hoola bronzer. And I'm just going to set the rest of my face with the Rcma no color powder that I use for my concealer. I'm just setting my nose and my forehead and right under where I bronze slash contoured my face. So now I'm going to take a cream highlighter from Becca Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Moonstone. I'm just taking that on a little mini damp Real Technique sponge, and I'm putting that on my cheeks, and this helps give a base for the powder highlighter, and it gives you a more lit from within glow. And then I'm going to go in with the actual powder highlight, and this is the Wet n Wild one in Precious Petals, and it is only $4, and it is such good quality. So if you're looking for a cheap highlight, then this is so amazing. And I used to use this every day, and I still do use it pretty frequently, and I haven't even hit pan, so it's going to last you a while. So this is the MAC Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush, and it's in the shade Peachy Keen, and I love this so much because it has like little reflex in it, so it makes your skin look really glowy and pretty, and also adds color to the face. And I also put this on my forehead and my nose just to give my face like an even flush of color instead of having like two pink patches on my cheeks. So yeah, this is such a pretty blush. So I'm going to be using the Morphe setting spray, but I want to talk about a setting spray from the drugstore that I've been loving, which is the Milani Make It Dewy. It's so good, and even though I have oily skin, it just melts my makeup all together and makes it look really natural without making me greasy throughout the day. So I really, really like this. And also the Milani Make It Last one, which is like a matte setting spray, is really good too. So now I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara, which is a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. It's so good, from the drugstore. And then I'm going to be using Roller Lash from Benefit on top of that. And then for my lips, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss and Fenty Glow, which is actually the best lip gloss on the planet. This lip gloss smells so good, and it actually lasts for so long throughout the day. It's amazing. Alright angels, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. I love creating videos for you guys. If you have any other video ideas, just leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking my videos. It means so much to me. And if you guys want to interact with me on other social media platforms, I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I'll put those all in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!